scientists, and welcome to an extra special Easter themed science video. This video is all about eggs. Eggs are brilliant. They taste delicious and they're packed full of protein. And there's loads of experiments that you can do with eggs. Just ask a grown-up first. The first experiment I can show you uses a bowl of water. And I can test to see whether the eggs are fresh by putting them into the bowl. If the egg floats, that means it's gone bad and it's filled with hydrogen sulfide gas, PU. But if it sinks, it means it's okay to eat. Let's check one of these eggs here and see if they're okay for my breakfast. Fingers crossed, everybody. Phew. The egg sank. That means it's okay to eat. Right, let's get cracking.
When you cook an egg, you change the chemicals inside so the clear part turns white and the yolk goes hard. This is an irreversible reaction.
Delicious. But I'm still hungry. I know. What about a nice apple pie? Oh, I haven't got any apples. Oh, but I can use chemistry to trick my taste buds into tasting apple. And you can too with our Easter fake bake.
Make sure you wash your hands carefully for 20 seconds. And you must get an adult's permission and supervision when you bake.
Okay, after you've washed your hands, then get all of your ingredients together. For your snap crackers, what you need to do is put them into a little bag and then batter them with a rolling pin so that they're all smashed up. It's great fun. Next, you need to line your dish with your pastry and then fill the dish with your crushed up crackers. Next, add your water, your cream of tartar and your sugar to a saucepan and heat it on the hob. It needs to simmer for about 15 minutes to make a syrup. This is where you're going to need a grown-up to help you. And you also need to turn the oven on to 220 degrees or gas mark 7. Okay, then you need to add your cinnamon, your lemon juice and grate the zest of your lemon into your syrup. Leave it to cool. Dot your margarine or butter onto your crackers and then pour the cool syrup over the top. All you need to do now is put a covering of pastry over the top. And like me, you can use any leftovers to decorate your pie. Alright, it's not the best looking pie in the world, but I bet it tastes good. We can even use our old friend the egg to make a wash to go over the top. Then put it in the oven for around 30 minutes. Right then, so I left the pie to cool and now all that's left is to taste it and see if it actually tastes of apples. No way. It tastes just like apple. So how does that work then? Well, it's all thanks to the cream of tartar, or potassium bitartrate to give it its scientific name. This is produced during the wine making process, fun fact for you there grown-ups, and it's a derivative of tartaric acid. When the cream of tartar reacts with the sugar, it tastes like apples because apples contain tartaric acid, which is why when we taste sour apples or something else that's sour, we say that they're tart. The sugar and lemon also give us the sweetness and the tang of apples. This recipe works so well that during times when people couldn't get their hands on apples, like World War II or the Great Depression, they used this instead. So, try it yourself and have a happy Easter from all of us at the British Motor Museum.